Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy chignon hairstyle. To start, I've left some pieces of hair out to frame the face. Now all we're going to do is divide the hair from ear to ear and smooth this to the back of the head and secure it with a clear elastic band. Add some texture spray to the crown of the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then gently pinch and pull at the hair to give it a bit of texture. Now I'm going to add some texture powder to that little ponytail, and I'm gently going to back comb the top side of the ponytail. Now taking the ends of that ponytail, wrap them round your finger and then just keep rolling the hair up until it meets the head, and then just secure it at the top and the bottom with a few bobby pins. Divide the remaining hair in half, and starting on that right hand side, we're going to smooth out the hair and bring it up and over the top of that little bun section, and we're just going to twist the ends towards the head and then just pin this to the left hand side of that little bun. Take your tail ends and just tuck them under towards that bun section and pin them with a few more bobby pins. And then we're just going to repeat this on the opposite side. So take all the hair that's remaining, smooth it out and bring it up and over that bun section, twisting the ends as you go. Bring it over to the right hand side and secure with a bobby pin or two. Now to hide those tail ends, I'm just going to wrap them around my fingers and make a small hole in the chignon, and I'm just going to tuck those ends inside and secure it down with a bobby pin. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.